Do not watch ahead if you have not watched Stranger Things Season 5 Volume 2 because there's going to be a lot of spoilers in this video. So we're going to talk about the physics behind what has been shown in the show and whatever is going on behind the wormhole and the upside down that has been shown in the show. So we're just going to talk about the physics behind it. And to begin with, let's talk about the basics. Let's just say there are two worlds. One being, let's say this world being the earth, and this world being something, let's say, named X. So, and within this earth, there is a place called Hawkins, and we're going to come to the other world later. So, this place is called Hawkins. This is where the whole upside down has been created, and both of these two worlds, which are separated by this white sheet, let's say all of this white space is the time and space, what is called in physics, or the nothingness, which separates the two worlds, two universes, or the two planets, so to say. And they are millions of light years apart, way beyond anybody's reach. And to be able to kind of bring these two worlds together, there's a concept called, and the book that has also been shown in some of the episodes, it's called the wrinkle in time. So it's the creation of wrinkle in this time and space, which has brought these two worlds together. So when we talk about creating that wrinkle in time and space, so this is the kind of wrinkle that gets created. And when this wrinkle gets created, the two worlds tend to come together. And that's how, when these two come together and to create a link between the two, there is a concept of wormhole that has been shown in the show, which connects the two worlds. So these two worlds have been connected by creating a wrinkle in time and space, and thus creating a bridge between the two, right? And this other world where the wrinkle, after creation of the wrinkle, the connector bridge that has been created, it's opening up to this place, which in the show is called the abyss. Right. So to make things simpler, I'll just show you a depiction of it. So this is the kind of mechanism that has gotten created by all energy that 11 channeled and sent through this wall where she pushed Vecna or Henry. So this is Hawkins. And there is a upside down of Hawkins that got created on 6th of November 1983, and upside down of Hawkins has been stuck in that time and is actually a mirror image of Hawkins from that particular date. Right. At the same time, when this upside down of Hawkins was created, a similar upside down for Abyss also got created, which was the mirror image of Abyss from the same date. And connecting these two is a wormhole or a long bridge or a tunnel that has gotten created by that wrinkle in time and space that we talked about. And this is what has been shown throughout many episodes throughout the show, and this is what the whole concept that has been talked about in the volume 2 of season 5. Right, so this is where all of the kids tend to go to the upside down, and they find all of those dark matter, those spaces which has been stuck in time and space, and it's a low energy space where everything is controlled by Vecna. Vecna there is a strongest force over there and is able to connect somehow all of the particles that are there in time and space, and hence anything that happened to any of the monsters in Upside Down or in Abyss, or anything that happens to Vecna, channels through all of the hive mind, and everybody who is part of that hive mind is impacted by it. So this is what has been shown. And when Nancy shot up in the sky, where that sort of a static field was showing, she shot somewhere in this area wherein a hole got created, which opened or exposed this whole wormhole to the time and space, or the nothingness that exists outside, which caused a creation of a black hole which was consuming everything, which eventually Eleven and Jim were able to escape. So this is the whole concept that is there, and we are to see in the last episode how they are going to kind of solve this, whether they are going to close the wormhole, whether they're going to destroy the abyss, or We're going to do something which just completely cuts down the real world from the abyss or the wormhole or to the diamond space. So it's for us to see. So stay tuned and come back for more interesting content like this. And if you like this, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.